I want to know who makes the best cloud slime, so it's time for a slime showdown. In this video, I'm going to tell you what the top 5 cloud slimes in my collection are. This is just my personal opinion on how I like my cloud slime. They drizzle well, aren't very wet, and leave little residue and fallout. Now let's jump into the video. Number 5. Little Bo Peeps by the Slime Hive. This slime fluffs up so nicely. Although there is some residue and fallout, but the color is so cute and the sprinkles are adorable. Number 4, Mr. Wormwood's Hair by Some Other Slime. This slime is a little bit harder to fluff up, but there is minimal fallout and it's not very wet. The scent is to die for and the color is gorgeous. Comment down below what you think the best cloud slime is, because obviously I haven't tried out all the cloud slimes out there in the world and I would love to know what you think. And if you're enjoying this video, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like so I know to keep making this series. Number 3, Pop Star by Scented Slime by Amy. This slime drizzles well, but what I like most about it is that it is not wet and it doesn't leave a lot of residue or fallout. The scent is also amazing, of course, Scented Slime by Amy. Number 2, Pinkalicious by Bookshelf Slimes. This slime is a bit on the wetter side, but what I love about this slime is that the drizzles are so smooth. There's not really a lot of residue or fallout, but the drizzles are just perfection, so that's why I really love this slime and why it is my second favorite cloud slime. Plus, the scent is awesome. Number 1, Pink Beluga Beach by audeez Slimes. Now this cloud slime is perfection. It meets all of my criteria. It drizzles up really quickly and nicely. It's not wet. There's not a lot of residue or fallout, but of course there's a tiny bit because all cloud slime have a little, but this slime meets all of my expectations. The scent is amazing. It's adorable. I love it so much. And those are my favorite cloud slimes. This is my first video in my Slime Showdown series, a bunch of videos where I tell you what my favorite slimes in my collection are. Make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to be notified when I post more in this series. I plan on doing these every Thursday for the month of August, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, I really think you will enjoy seeing all of the slimes in my collection, so check out my slime collection video. All you have to do is just tap or click the screen to see all of the slimes I have ever purchased. Thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating and I will see you all next time.